Welcome back, students. Now in this tutorial we will learn about the duplicate removal option, like how we can remove the duplicate rows or duplicate columns that are present in our data set. Now first we will learn how to remove rows. If I go to this option of remove rows, you can see that we have option of remove top rows. For example, if I want to remove first 3 rows, I can perform this operation. If I want to remove bottom 3 rows, I can perform this operation. If I want to remove alternating rows like the first row, then the third row, then the fifth row, then the seventh row, and so on, I can perform this operation. Here is an option of remove duplicates. If I click this remove duplicate, it will remove all duplicate values that are present in this column. Similarly, we have some more options of remove blank rows. We can always remove blank rows or remove errors that are present in our data set. Now if we come to the main report, here we can see that this column named CR, this has a number of errors. You see, this is an error. So if I convert back it to the decimal number and I can say replace current step, we will wait for it to execute. Now once it is converted to the decimal number, because the values are in a decimal, so these are numerical data column, but due to the error it is converted into the text column. I have changed it data type now, and we will remove all error rows in this case. We will wait for it to execute. Now I go to remove rows and click remove errors. Now if I click remove errors, you will see all the rows which shows error currently will be removed from this data set. So these are different type of operations that we can perform based on our requirements, what our requirements are and what are the steps that we need to perform. So you see, now we do not have any error column or any error row present in the CR column. You see, all of the values are now accurate and there is no error value in this case. Similarly, if I want to remove columns, you can remove columns. Like if I want to remove the CR column, I will select and then click remove. So the CR column is now removed. Similarly, if I have selected the net revenue column and I want to remove all other columns, I can click this option of remove other columns. Like for example, if I want to keep these 3 columns I have selected and then I want to remove all other columns, you will see all other columns will now be removed and we will be left with only these 3 columns, which is active, net revenue and payout. Again, we will wait for it to execute. So the result is reflected into the screen. Now you see all other columns are removed except the 3 that we have selected. So these are different kind of operations. We can perform filtering, we can perform sorting, we can perform rows removal and column removal as per our requirements. We can also perform split operations, which we will learn in upcoming videos. We will learn how to create a column based on existing column, or how can we create a new column based on some formula. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video.